Are you tired of feeling like there's always more month than money? Living paycheck to paycheck can be exhausting, but what if I told you there are simple changes you can make today to keep more cash in your pocket? Saving money isn't just about cutting out your favorite coffee or skipping meals, it's about making smarter choices that fit your lifestyle. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or just get some breathing room in your budget, these tips can make a real difference. And don't worry, you won't need to live like a monk to make them work. 1. Start with your subscriptions. Take a good look at your streaming services, gym memberships, and other automatic payments. Do you really need 4 different streaming apps? Canceling even one could save you $10 to $20 a month. That's over $200 a year. 2. Cut energy costs. Adjusting your thermostat by just a few degrees or using energy-efficient bulbs can shave dollars off your utility bills. For example, in many states, switching to LED bulbs could save you around $100 a year. 3. Plan your meals. Did you know the average American family wastes about $1,500 worth of food annually? Planning your meals for the week not only reduces waste but also helps you avoid those expensive last-minute takeouts. 4. Cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey help you save money on things you're already buying. Imagine getting 5% back on groceries or clothing, it adds up quickly. 5. Buy generic. Store brand products are often just as good as name brands but cost 20 to 30% less. From pantry staples to over-the-counter medicines, switching to generic can save you hundreds each year. 6. Unsubscribe from retail emails. If you're constantly tempted by sales, unsubscribe from those emails. Out of sight, out of mind. Bonus, fewer emails cluttering your inbox. 7. DIY small repairs. Fixing a leaky faucet or patching a wall yourself can save you a lot on handyman fees. There are plenty of free tutorials online to guide you step by step. 8. Refinance or negotiate bills. Call your cable, internet, or insurance providers and ask if they can lower your rate. A 5-minute phone call could save you $20 or more each month. 9. Switch to cash for non-essentials. Setting a cash budget for things like dining out or entertainment can keep you from overspending. Once the cash is gone, you're done spending, simple as that. 10. Make saving automatic. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every payday. Even $20 per paycheck can grow into a significant emergency fund over time. Saving money doesn't have to mean drastic sacrifices. By making small, intentional changes, you can see big results without feeling deprived. Try just 1 or 2 of these tips this week and watch how quickly the savings add up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, actionable financial advice. Let's make money work for you.